Italy traditional food. Many people have enjoyed many different kinds of food. Every country has its own traditional food. What is your favorite world traditional food? Personally, I like pasta in Italy the best. I have two reasons for that. First, there are many kinds of pasta. For example, we have cream pasta, oil pasta, tomato pasta, rosé pasta. It has a lot of taste. So I have many choices of eating. Second, it is easy to make pasta. If you make pasta, you just need to boil noodles and pour the sauce into the noodle. It is a simple recipe to cook. Thank you.